let's do some London. D4, knight F6, and bishop F4. Ito ang tinatawag na Neo London. Ang common London ay knight F3 muna, bishop F4. But in this case, bishop F4 agad para mailabas agad yung active bishop ng puti or the what we call the London bishop. Common response, E6, activating dark square bishop ng itim. Then E3, activate mo rin yung bishop mo. And C5. Kadalasan ginagawa yan to immediately hit the white center. Knight F3, develop your knight. And B6. Ginagawa yan ng itim para i-activate din yung kanyang light square bishop. I suggest knight BD2, threatening knight C4. Common tira, bishop B7, and itira mo yung knight C4 mo. The idea of knight C4 is knight D6 check, threatening double check. Kapag kinain naman niya ng bishop, white will have a double bishop advantage. Kaya kadalasan, ang ititira dyan ng itim ay D5. Centralize your knight. And kapag tumira ng bishop E7, you will play bishop B5, forcing move. Kadalasan, ihaharang niya dyan yung knight to preserve castling. Then capture. Kakainin niya yan. Then go with knight E5. Double attacking or the knight on D7. If supportahan yan ng bishop C8, you will go with the knight C6, dropping the queen. Hindi na yun makapunta sa C7 because of your bishop F4. White has a material and a great advantage.